Hello everyone, my name is Miss Umi and I'm a specialist English teacher here at Lil But Mighty. Nice to see you again. Today, I'm here to share with you more commonly mistaken words, namely there, and there. These words are often confused with each other because of their very similar pronunciations. So let's take a look at their differences and see how we can use them correctly in our sentences. There. There is a combination of two words, they and are, and is what we call a contraction. Basically, it is they are, but in short form. So how do we use there in a sentence? They're coming now. They're so good at dancing. They're late. Please ensure that they're prepared for the activity today. If you replace there with they are, all these sentences would still mean the same. They are coming now. They are so good at dancing. They are late. Please ensure that they are prepared for the activity today. After writing, always reread your writing and mentally replace there with they are to check if you are using the correct version. If the meaning of the sentence remains the same, then you know that you have used the right one. There. There is a possessive determiner used to show ownership. There is not a contraction and is usually followed by a noun which includes gerunds. If you are wondering what gerunds are, they are verbs in the present participle form, which is verb plus ing that act like nouns like shopping in this sentence. I love shopping. So how do we use there in a sentence? Here are some examples. Their son is attending the workshop with ours. I love their suggestions for the team. She finds their loud chewing during the movie annoying. There. There talks about location and often answers the question, where? It is also used to refer to something that exists or is available. Here are some examples. Put it there. There are plenty of nice dresses available. Although it has been 2 months since the operation, the pain is still there. Will be there soon. Moreover, there is used to introduce the subject of a sentence, usually before the verbs be, seem, and appear. There seems to be a problem with the machine. I checked my purse, but there was no money in it. We also use it to answer a question that begins with is there, are there, such as the ones below. Is there a hotel in the town? Yes, there is one nearby. Are there many cats in the shelter? Yes, there are many that are still waiting for a good home. Interestingly, there is found in many idiomatic phrases we usually use in informal contexts. I'm sure you have come across some of these. Been there, done that. Here and there. There you go again. There and then. Now, let's test your new skills and see if you can identify if there, and there are used correctly in these sentences. Pause your video to read each sentence and decide. Sentence number 1. There is a rabbit in that burrow over there. Both there and there are incorrectly used in this sentence. The correct answer should be, there is a rabbit in that burrow over there. In this instance, you should use there to introduce the subject of the sentence, which is the rabbit, as well as to show where it is located. Sentence 2. Have you marked their worksheets? The correct answer should be, have you marked their worksheets? We should use there to indicate ownership, which means to show the worksheets belong to them. Sentence 3. They're using the washing machine to wash their clothes. This answer is correct. To check your answer for there, you can try replacing it with they are. They are using the washing machine. Is correct because the meaning of this part of the sentence remains the same. The use of their clothes is also accurate because it indicates that the clothes belong to them. To sum up, this is what we learned. There is a contraction of they and are. try inserting they are in the sentence to check if you have used the correct term. Their is used when you want to show ownership. Check if there is a noun after their. Their is used for a variety of purposes, the most common one being to refer to location or the existence of something. I hope you now understand the key differences between there, and that this helps you in your writing in future. Look out for our next video in this series. Feel free to let us know in the comments what you think. If you like this video and would like to learn more English tips, remember to like and subscribe.